Okay, so in this episode, we want to write a program to check for the very simple exercises. Is that how can we calculate the area when rectangle with the length and the width as we wanted? The inputs that we're gonna type in from the keyboard. Okay, so length. I'm gonna name it variable length. Equal to, well, it's a float number because it can be any you know decimal. So we want to make it a prompt. We want to input it from the keyboard, so we have to use the function input. So float input, enter the length, right? And also we're gonna do the same thing for the width, right? And the width is also gonna be the float value type because we also want to enter anything from the keyboard, right? So let's change the prompt into the width. So now we know that the area of a rectangle gonna be exactly the length times the width because it is the formula, right? So we can actually create the third variable as such, area equal to the length of the width, and then we can print out the area. Print out the area. So, but before we print out the area, we can also make a prompt here, which is something like the area of a rectangle is and we can, after that we can print out the area, and we're gonna separate these two things we want to print out by a comma. So let's run. Oh, we save it first, so I'm gonna just call this exercise area. Oh, I haven't installed Python, so install Python. Oh, it's okay. So cannot open, no such file directory. Okay, so let's open file. I am very sure we have the, okay, open. Okay, so let's run. Okay, the length is 1.3, whatever number you enter in, and the width should be shorter, so 1.1. So the area is 1.343. So please ignore this arrow because there's just a computation error. So this algorithm actually quite easy and it works. So I think that's it for this episode. See you on the next episode.